This is the plane of the coil, Nana. This is the field, Nana. Here, this is normal of the. Normal means perpendicular line. Deniki perpendicular plane of the coil. This is the normal of the plane of the coil. This normal makes an angle theta with the field direction. Once again, the magnetic field makes an angle theta. Magnetic field makes an angle theta with the normal of the plane of the coil. డిఫరెన్స్ అర్థమవుతుందిగా అన్నా చూడాలి. ఫీల్డ్ దేంతో యాంగిల్ చేసింది నార్మల్. అప్పుడు ఈ కాంపోనెంట్ ఏమైంది బి కాస్ థీటా, మరి ఈ కాంపోనెంట్ బి సైన్ థీటా. హియర్ బి ఈజ్ రీప్లేస్డ్ బై బి సైన్ థీటా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద టార్క్ ఫార్ములా నౌ? BIAN. Here B write as B sin theta IAN. Neatly write as BIAN sin theta. Okay, Nana? This is the formula for torque. Eppudu Nana? Here field makes an angle theta with the normal of the plane of the coil. For example, coil having hand turns. This formula is applicable. Formula check చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా ఇప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా చెక్ చేయండి. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇది ప్లేన్ ఆఫ్ ద కాయిల్, ఇది ఫీల్డ్. బోత్ ఆర్ ప్యారలల్. టార్క్ ఫార్ములా BIAN. For example, plane of the coil, field makes an angle theta. In the situation BIAN cos theta. For example, field makes an angle theta with the normal of the plane of the coil. In the situation, torque formula is BIAN sin theta. These are present week syllabus. First I discuss force between two parallel conductors. This will be discussed in the Thursday class. Force between two parallel conductors. This is the wire, this is the wire. Both the wires carrying currents I1 and I2. Force between two parallel conductors is mu naught I1 I2 L. L means length of the each conductor by 2 pi. R is the perpendicular distance between two conductors. This is the formula. This is the first concept of present week. Next, torque acting on the rectangular coil. Now I discuss. Next concept is MCG, moving coil galvanometer, by TCG, tangent galvanometer. MCG and TG both are in syllabus. Next syllabus is ammeter. Next syllabus is voltmeter. Okay, these are 5 topics in the present week. This is completed. This is completed. This is the last week syllabus. Today I send assignments of these topics. Tomorrow I send assignments torque and MCG. Tomorrow I complete moving coil galvanometer. Okay. Next Wednesday I send ammeter concepts. Thursday voltmeter. Friday revise important topics of these important problems of these 5 topics. Okay. Now I discuss force between two. This is the conductor. This is the conductor. Here carries a current I1. This is I2. Both are arranged parallel to each other. Here distance between two wires is, two conductors is R. In the situation force between two parallel conductors is mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi r. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాను ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. హియర్ look here now. Here carries a current I1. This is another wire nana. This another wire carries a current I2. First wire carries a current I1. Second wire carries a current I2. The angle between two wires is theta. Look here. In the situation, I take some part of this wire now, some part of this wire. Here, force acting on this wire due to this wire. This is the question. Once again, repeat the question. Force acting on this part due to this wire. Okay? We know the force between two parallel conductors. That's why this is wire. Here I assumed another wire. Here. Because here angle theta, this angle also theta. Because interior angle equal to exterior angle. In the situation, this is dl. Angle says this component is dl cos theta. Look here, this is the wire, this is the wire. Both the wires are arranged parallel. We apply this formula. That's why force between two wires is mu naught okay, I1 okay, I2 okay by వీటి మధ్య perpendicular distance also given r 2 pi r okay. But here length of the wire is L. In the situation, length of the wire is not L nana, dl cos theta. dl cos theta. Look here. This is the wire nana, carrying a current I1. This is another wire carrying a current I2. The question is, perpendicular distance between two wires is r. Here I take some part of length, that is dl. The question is, force acting on small element due to I1. Here nana, we know that this angle theta, dl resolve. This is dl cos theta. In the situation I1, I2 both are parallel, we apply force between two parallel conductors mu naught I1, I2 L by 2 pi r. But here L is replaced by what the situation? dl cos theta. Complete. Okay, next one. This is the horizontal support. This is the wire. Here one conductor placed. This is the wire. Here another conductor placed. This is the conductor. This is the conductor. Both the conductors are arranged parallel to each other. Initially, its separation is 0.5 centimeters. కొంతమంది చూస్తుంటారు వైర్ కదా సార్ పాయింట్ పెట్టావేంటి సార్, వైర్ అట్టకి గీలేం కదా అందుకే పాయింట్ లాగా పెట్టాను. ఇప్పుడు బోత్ ద వైర్స్ ఇనీషియల్లీ టూ కండక్టర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, ఇనీషియల్ సెపరేషన్ ఈజ్ 0.5 centimeter. దిస్ వైర్ అండ్ దిస్ వైర్ క్యారీయింగ్ ఏ కరెంట్స్ ఇలా ఉన్నాయి కదా, దీంట్లో కరెంట్ పాస్ అయింది, దీంట్లో కరెంట్ పాస్ అయింది. కరెంట్ పాస్ అవడం వల్ల ఇట్ బికమ్స్ రిపెల్. నన్ను బోత్ ద వైర్స్ రిపెల్ అవ్వాలి అంటే కరెంట్ ఫ్లో ఇన్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్. దెన్ దిస్ వైర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ సస్పెండెడ్ వైర్ నన్ను హియర్ కండక్టర్ ఈజ్ దేర్ అట్ edge here nana, here to here nana, here also Total separation in the here to here 1.5 centimeter. This is 0.5 centimeter. This is 0.5. This is 0.5 centimeter. Okay, Nana? Here this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Initial separation 0.5. Final separation becomes 1.5 centimeter. Here, Nana, in the situation, mass is given. Mass is given. Mass is given. Look here. In the situation, mass is given 0.4 grams. Simply 4 into 10 power minus 4 kg. Length is given 1 centimeter, 1 meter. 1 meter. Mass is given. Length of the each conductor is given 1 meter. And again, initial separation 0.5 centimeter. Final separation 1.5 centimeter. This conductor suspended by using thread. This thread length is given 75 centimeter. Okay, this thread length is given 75 centimeter. Okay, Nana? Look here. మరి ఇప్పుడు నాకు చిన్న డౌట్, ఈ రెండు రిపెల్ అయినాయి అంటే వీటి మధ్య ఏం యాక్ట్ అయింది? ఫోర్స్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నాకున్న డౌట్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫోర్స్ బికాజ్ హియర్ ఇనీషియల్ సెపరేషన్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, ఫోర్స్ యాక్టింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్. స్ట్రింగ్లో ఉండే ఫోర్స్ ఏదో అంటారు బంగారు కొండలు, టెన్షన్. ఈ పాయింట్కి ఎలా ఉండాలి? అవే. కండక్టర్కి ఎలా ఉండాలి? అవే. హియర్ tension resolve in two components, this angle theta, this angle theta. Here it resolve t cos theta, it resolve t sin theta. Weight always vertically downwards. In the situation, upward force balances by the downward force. T cos theta balances the mg. T sin theta balances the force. Okay, here at the equilibrium condition, upward force equal to downward force, forward force equal to backward force. Okay, in the situation here now equation 2 by equation 1 apply. Equation 2 by equation 1 here. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta, tt what? Cancel. Left side remain tan theta. Right side remain f by mg. In the situation 1 by mg, okay Kondal? F formula is mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi r. F formula, force between two parallel conductors formula, mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi r. Left side tan theta. Angle small, tan theta right as sin theta. Keyword in the problem in the bracket, angle is small. Simply less than 5 degrees. Theta right as sin theta right as tan theta. Based on requirement to change. Nana, angle small, tan theta right as sin theta. Here theta. What is the opposite side? 0.5 centimeter. Whole by. What is the hypotenuse? What is the hypotenuse? ఓకే అన్న, థ్రెడ్ లెంత్ ఎంత? 75 సెంటీమీటర్. లేకపోతే ట్యానే ఉంచుకోండి, ఇబ్బంది ఏముంది? ట్యాన్ తీటా. ట్యాన్ అంటే ఆపోజిట్ బై అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్. ఇది హైపోటెన్యూస్ అవుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్? 75. లేకపోతే ఇదిగో ఇది కదా థ్రెడ్. థ్రెడ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇది కదా, ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా. థ్రెడ్ లెంత్ ఎంత? 75. థ్రెడ్ లెంత్ ఈజ్ వాట్? 75 సెంటీమీటర్. యాంగిల్ స్మాల్, tan right as sin. Sine definition, opposite side by hypotenuse side. What is the hypotenuse side? 75 centimeter. Here, what is the mass of the conductor? 4 into 10 power minus 4, G value 9.8. Here, mu naught value 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Here, find the current అన్నాడు. మరి ఫస్ట్ కండక్టర్లో పోయే కరెంట్ ఐ అన్నాడు, సెకండ్ కండక్టర్లో పోయే కరెంట్ ఐ అన్నాడు. ఐ ఇంటూ ఐ. లెంత్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ 1 మీటర్. హియర్ 2 pi. R value is given. R. Final separation. Total separation is 1.5 centimeter, right as 10 power minus 2. Find here current passing through each conductor can be calculated. In the situation, I value determined. Finally, we get 14 amperes. Conductors one. This conductor suspended by thread. This conductor suspended by thread. Initial separation is 0.5. Here, currents passing opposite direction, automatically it will be repel. It will be finally it becomes 1.5 centimeter. Okay. According to situation, here T resolve. T cos theta balances the weight of the conductor. T sin theta balances the F. According to this situation, 2 by 1 I apply. Finally, we get tan theta. Keyword in the problem, angle is small. That's why tan theta right as sin theta. Here, thread length also given 75 centimeter. This is 0.5. Here, sin means opposite by hypotenuse. It right. Here, mass of the conductor is given. G value on the earth 9.8. Mu naught value 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. I1 value I. I2 value I. That I is determined. Length of the each conductor is given 1 meter. Here final separation is 1.5 centimeter. All the values substitute. Finally we get I value is 14 amperes. Today